amazing, beautiful, sultry spring makeup look, and let's just get right into the video. Come on. Hey tribe, welcome to my channel. I'm so obsessed about how this look turned out. Like, look at this lavender doing some number on my eyes. Like, are you feeling this or are you feeling this? Like, I feel absolutely gorgeous and I wanted to share it with you. I hope you love it and are ready to recreate it using, and it's popping. I feel like a baby girl right now. I know you also want to feel like a baby girl, so if you do, make sure you get your brushes out so we can all recreate this look together. I just want to say welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to have you back here. Today is going to be a spring inspired makeup look. It's, well, we're still in a little bit of winter, but we're going to be going into spring, so I want you guys to be armed and ready with the looks you can create. And trust me, you can actually rock them anywhere, anytime, anyhow. So if you think you'd like to know more about spring makeup looks, or you want to feel cute and pretty, keep watching. To my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking the link to watch what is going on in this channel. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the plug. You make me come back here every single day, even when I want to go right into the look. The first thing I'm going to do is, you've seen that I did my eyebrows off camera. Next up, I'm going in this eyeshadow palette by Hushbeauty NG. This is like my new plug. I've had this eyeshadow for a while and I feel like I've been sleeping on it. So today, to do my transition color, I'm going to be going in with this shade, and this shade, just to give it a little bit of darkening by the sides. To do this look, you would notice that I'll be looking down a lot. That's fine. Just keep watching and look at me as I blend in all these colors. I actually almost didn't put up a YouTube video. No, let's rewind it back. I actually almost gave up on my YouTube channel. And you know why that is? I got exhausted of uploading videos. Even my old subscribers is like, you guys, I'm not lost. Did you guys look for me on YouTube and you didn't find me? Suddenly I can't find my old subscribers, my old commenters. What's happening, guys? I was getting a little bit discouraged, so I decided that, oh, maybe I should just stop, recording. Let me just close up my YouTube channel for a while, because the truth is, it can be very overwhelming. YouTube is very overwhelming because you've got a lot of stuff to do. And if you haven't known by now, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. My MAC professional makeup, I don't know where I got it. I remember I got it a very long time ago. It's a 120 palette, and I'm just going to go in with this lavender eyeshadow. I'm not sure if you can see the proper pigmentation, but that's the color I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to place it on my eyelids using a fluffy blending brush. As you can see, it's very pigmented, and I've got some other side hustles by the side, so in between all of this I do my YouTube videos, so it can be a whole lot, especially with the fact that I've been stuck on 960 something. I get like 5 subscribers, YouTube takes like 10 away almost every day. I've been stuck on 960 or 950 for like a month, so it's really upsetting and not very encouraging. To just line my eyes, and I'm going in like so I've been thinking, oh, maybe people don't really like my video, maybe they want me to do something else. So is there something else you'd like me to do? Don't you like the videos I'm churning out? There's something else you want me to talk about? You guys, you literally have to drop comments, because I wouldn't know your preference if you have any. The truth is, YouTube is a lot, so with love, support, comments, likes, shares, and frequent subscribers here and there, it really encourages. It really encourages. But right now, I don't feel encouraged. I feel like very soon I'm gonna throw in the towel within my YouTube channel. You guys will just see me put up a post or never even upload anymore. I remember that beginning of this year, we took a poll and you guys said, oh, I want you to upload every Mondays and Thursdays. To get an internal glow, I'm not going to be using the glow powder. I just want to get an internal glow and have my face looking scrunchy and beautiful. I'm going in with this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow, and I'm placing it on the highest corner of my cheeks like so. I'm placing it over here on my forehead and my chin and the bridge of my nose. I'm just going to blend it all out like so. Don't worry, it might not look as clean as you might want it to be, but that's fine because immediately I'm going over my face with my foundation and using my fluffy blending sponge. I'm just going to go in like so. Mind you, my blending sponge is big and soft because I dipped it in water and squeezed out the excess water off. So I'm going in like so. But I realized that on Mondays and Thursdays, you guys barely even watch the Monday videos, stop us of watching the Thursday videos. So I stopped uploading on Thursdays because I felt like people weren't watching it enough. And it was good content. I didn't just want to, like just put out something and not get return on investment, which literally is, translates to subscribers and that. I'm just going to blend out my concealer with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go like so. I used my lipstick palette to create a blush effect. This is like a TikTok viral hack, and I'm doing this because I want to bring in some warmth to my face. Don't worry, I know it looks all reddish and stuff. That's fine. I'm just going to keep blending till my hands hurt. So next, I'm just going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set all over my face. To get a chiseled nose, I'm just going to take my powder like so, very close to the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to set every area that I put my highlighting concealer in, and I'm going in with a reverse contour. This is to give me a more chiseled look. I'm doing it on this other side also. I remember I said I wasn't going to go in with an highlight bomb. Really, the way I feel and the way this look is looking bomb, let me just go in with a tiny little bit of highlights, and I'm just going to put it over here just because I can. And to set my face, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit setting spray. When I'm done, the powdery, feel that you saw before now just gets away, like literally immediately. It now makes it feel more skin-like. That's actually the goal. Right now, I'm just going to go in with my lips. I'm using my Zaron lip liner and my lipstick palette. So I'm thinking of closing down my YouTube channel. What do you think? Because at this point, I'm done. My subscriber buttons are not increasing. I'm really exhausted, and I feel like if I take a break, I just might never come back from you. And please, I want you to recreate it. So if you recreate this look, kindly tag me on my Instagram at Garbie'Signature. I want to see that you guys are learning something and you like it, and the fact that you can recreate it and feel fabulous. So that comes to the end of this tutorial. I love you all. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate your love and support. I know that there are times that I'll feel overwhelmed and I don't want to stop, but when I remember that I have almost 1,000 subscribers watching my video, dropping their comments, liking my stuff, and gassing me up, I'm like, no, Gabby, you can't give up. So thank you for your love and support. Let's get us to 1,000. Kindly share, comment, like, just get the word out there, because my giveaway is coming. I just want to give it away already. So I want you guys to also create looks and tag me on the giveaway. So let's get us to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly give me a thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section, and if you're watching till here and you aren't subscribed, tribe, what's going on? Join the tribe and feel the amazing positive energy that we radiate on this channel every day, every week, literally. I just want to say thank you. I can't thank you enough for the love, support, and community that we're building on my channel. I'm so grateful to you all for your love and support. Kindly share the video, get the word out. I can't wait to give you guys amazing content. If you have looks you want me to create, kindly send them to my DM on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook. You can also send me a message on Snapchat, okay? I just want you guys to, level up on your makeup game. Let's get this cuteness going together and stay fabulous till next time. Bye, guys.